very quietly tell your partner about our current writing unit? What other writing units we have done? I'll give you a hint. We've done 3 writing units this year, so tell your partner all 3. Go. Oh, I see some hands. Okay, great. We're going to play a game. I have 3 sample pieces.
What's sample?
Sample means that it's from you. It's a sample of your writing. It's something that you have written, okay? From 3 different students. Your job is to, okay? So as I read this, you need to think, is this small moments, nonfiction, or review? Sample number 1. It starts with, before we decide, is it nonfiction, small moments, or a review? Let's think about, what does every review always have? What does every review always have? There are 2 super duper important things reviews always have. Tell your partner, reviews always have opinions. 1, 2, 3.
Reviews always have opinions.
1, 2, 3.
Reviews always have opinions.
Can you say it, Venus? Always. Good count. Reviews always have reasons. 1, 2, 3.
Reviews always have opinions.
You can just say reasons. 1, 2, 3.
Reviews always have reasons.
How do we give our opinions? Can anybody think, how does the sentence start? If you want to give your opinion, what do you need to say? 1, 2, 3.
I think blah blah blah.
Very nice. Now we're going to talk about reasons. Uh-oh, I already told you how you do it. How do you give your reasons? Tell your partner.
Because blah blah blah.
Okay, can you read this? How many reasons do we have here? We
5.
have 1 nonfiction, we have 1 small moments, and we have 1 review, and we're going to draw lines, okay? So the first one, the English class story, do I draw the line here? Or do I draw the line here? Or do I draw the line here? Which one is it?
Yeah.
I would like to see your thumbs. Thumbs up if you think the English class story was nonfiction. Okay, I see 3. Thumbs up if you think it was small moments. No one? Okay, I see 1. Thumbs up if you think it was a review. Okay. So that looks like we have about 15. So I'm going to draw it here. Okay? The English class was a review. The parties was nonfiction, and the holiday was small moments. So I would like you to tell your partner, why was the English class book a review? Who can give me 1 reason that the English class book was a review? 1 reason the English class book was a review. Joanne? It had a lot of reasons, right? Let me go back to it and see the reasons. I like English class, right? And I think it's fun because the words are all snap words. They're easy. I would like you to get your writing folders and come back to the carpet. Pull out the review you're writing and tell your partner your opinion and your reasons. Okay? I need you to finish something this week. Does anybody remember what it is that we're finishing? Do you remember? Can you tell your partners?
Story.
What are we finishing, Nick?
Review.
Can everyone say that, please? 1, 2, 3.
Review.
Before we finish the reviews, I need to remember what every review has. Oh, you know?
Yeah.
Colin, do you know? Harry, do you know? finish your review, what do you do? Tell your partner. Is this what you do?
Yes.
Okay, now remember, if you have a not yet or starting to, what do you need to do? Debbie? Change it to a yes. Okay? You wrote your review and you do your checklist and you're not quite sure you have a beginning. This is where you look. It's green for go, for the beginning. Okay? So you can come look, it's hanging on the easel. It tells you 3 sentences you can write for your beginning. Okay? And let's see, on the checklist it also says ending. So if you aren't sure you have an ending, don't forget to say goodbye. Okay? And this also has 3 sentences that you can write. It's red for stop, for the ending. Okay? So if you have questions about them, they're hanging on the easel. And you can use them. All the first graders want to do their very, very best. Alright? Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you set?
Yes.
Did you do the checklist? Yeah? Okay. Did you write your conclusion that we talked about? Yeah? Come over here. Okay, so what is the book about? What's the review about? Okay, so it's about Star Wars. So you said Star Wars can fight? Can take. Like you can build? Great. Okay. So this is Lego Star Wars, right? Okay. And then it's also, you can see it on the TV, right? Okay. And there's a spaceship. Okay. And now this is your conclusion, right? This is where you say goodbye. Okay, can you read it to me?
I think it's so good because
Trees? In Star Wars?
yes,
There are trees in Star Wars?
animals.
There are animals in Star Wars?
Yes.
Really? What animals? Oh, the funny animals. Okay. Alright, can you write that? Because I don't see that here and I need to see it. Is that okay? Alright. And then here you go.
I said read to your book.
Do you read Star Wars books? Yeah? This is read Star Wars books? Okay, so you need to can you just add the word animals so that we can see it? And then how's your checklist? Uh-oh. I see some not yets and starting tos. Can you do something about this? Okay. What are you going to do? Good. Okay, first just add the animals here, okay? And then do the yeses, okay? Hi, Harry. Are you all done? Did you do the checklist?
What? Oh, yeah. That.
Oh, I see. Oh, it looks like you have all kinds of yeses. Ready? So this is about the White House?
Yeah.
Oh, this is about the White Horse School, right?
Yeah.
So let's see. This is your introduction, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, it's about to like the
Yeah. Awesome.
Yes.
I think you did it. So I see here you did the introduction, right? Have you ever gone to an international school? Have you ever had the funnest school ever? I think HIS is the best school because I have so many fantastic teachers and so many friends. These are the teachers you've had at HIS? Wow.
I want to do because it's Hollywood.
That's great. Thank you. My last grade is first grade because I will leave after first grade to another school. I have so many friends. You wrote down the whole class, didn't you? I love it.
How about the whole class?
That's great.
I
And then, why are they fantastic? Because I've been in this school for 4 years, so I'm not shy for any time. Great. And you did the checklist, okay? I have a question here. It says, I wrote an ending, right? Can you show me your ending? Is it? Can you read it to me?
Why are they fantastic? Because I have been with this one for years, so I am not shy.
Is that's the ending? Let's see. Here you said HIS has so many fantastic teachers, and you have so many friends, right? And here you talked about the teachers, and here you talked about the friends, and then here you said, I've been here for 4 years, right? Okay. Do you want to just go look at the don't forget to say goodbye chart? Take your book, just go look at it and say, did I do that? Okay, and come back. And if you didn't do it, you can write it. And if you think you did do it, we're good. Okay, thanks. Hello. So you changed your no's to yeses, but you actually did it this time? Okay. I see you added here, right? What does this say? Can you read it?
Spaceship is shoot.
Animals. Alright, so you're done? Very good. You can start a new one, okay? Thank you. Good job.
Good morning, writers. Today we have a very special writing day. Why? Do you want me to tell you?
Yes!
Today we're doing something that writers really do.
What?
They share their writing with each other. Did you know that?
Yes, I have.
Like real writers sit down together and they share their writing and they talk about it. This really, really happens. Did you know that?
I know.
Raise your hand if you're a real writer.
I don't think.
We are going to share our reviews that we wrote this week. First, you're going to practice with your partner, and then we're going to share as a class. Okay? So I'm going to give you about 5 minutes to practice with your partner. What can you share? Hugo? Yep, you can share some sentences. What's another thing you can share? Darcy? Great, you can share your reasons. What's another thing you can share? Jillian? You can share your opinion. Okay, what's another thing you can share, Debbie? Yep, you can share the whole review. Nikki, there's another thing?
Your favorite one?
That's a great idea. You can share your favorite part, okay? I think do we have anything else?
Yeah.
What else, Darcy? Oh, that's a great idea. You can share the introduction because I know some of you worked really hard on your introductions and your conclusions too, okay? So, your job right now is to decide what you're going to share and practice sharing. I'm going to give you about 5 minutes to practice. Ready? Okay. Devansh, thank you. We are in 2 writer's circles. These are called writer's circles, okay? So what you're going to do now is share with your circle what you just practiced with your partners, okay? And we're gonna walk around and we're gonna get to see everybody sharing, all right? So I would like Tiana to start in this circle, and then you go to the right. So to James, and then Campbell and Sia. Okay, go that way. Do the last one. And I would like Colin to start and go to the right. So then Junlin and Devansh and Inez is the last one. Do you have any questions?
No!
Are you ready?
Yes!
Are you excited?
Yes!
Please start.
You guys all liked Anna's whole book.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, it's really good.
I liked how specific you were, and you gave really good details. All right, do you guys want to talk about Powak's book?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
All right. Powak, you calling people. Harry, make sure they're in a circle. Let's be more specific with our feedback, okay? Let's be specific with our feedback.
Colin? I like first one page. The first page? Yes. This part, yes. I like your new house. Harry, I like the whole part because I like the theme.
You like the topic?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. The ranch? I like the topic. The whole book. I'm working the topics hard. You work it? Dylan, you work it out? I like what you know about music. Oh yeah, I like it. Nikki, I like all of your reasons.
He gave some good reasons, didn't he? Nice. Do you guys want to talk about Nikki? Oh, you have one for Powak?
I like your first page. Not concept. The first page.
The cover? Yeah, that's a cool cover. This? Okay. All right, do you guys want to talk about Nikki's book?
God. Where's your book?
We've already read it together. Harry, sit in the circle. Let's talk about Nikki's book. Go ahead.
What? I think your book is so good, Nikki. Me too.
What's your book about?
About school. Yeah. Oh, English class. Yeah, we read it on the smart board.
Yeah.
I think you're really hard on your reasons. Yeah. You just share a little bit. I like the words that you write, like the page that you have so many words.
Yeah, you had all the snap words. That was really cool. I like that you used snap words.
I like the whole book.